Welcome to release question number 5 for Cahsee Math. Alright, number 5, we've got this fraction problem right here. 11/12 minus, and then in parentheses, 1/3 plus 1/4. How do we deal with something like this? First things first, first thing I would want to do is I would want to take all this and get a common denominator. Make sure that you can get that common denominator and make sure you do that first. It makes the problem a whole lot easier. So 11/12 minus, I know 12 I can leave that way, but these two, to get a common denominator with 12, I would have to multiply 3 by 4, and I would have to multiply 4 by 3. And so I'm going to show that here in the next step. And I'll use my green here. So I want to multiply this by 4, but I can't just do that. I have to multiply by 4 over 4. That's allowed because it's like multiplying by 4 divided by 4 is 1. So I can multiply something by 1, and it doesn't really change the number, it just changes the form of the number. And so I have 1/4, I do the same sort of thing there. I'm going to multiply that by 3 on the bottom to get 12. And then I'll have common denominators all the way through of 12, but I have to do that 3 over 3 as well. Okay, so this equals now 11/12 minus, and then this would be, when we multiply things together, multiplication of fractions is real easy. Just multiply the tops together and multiply the bottoms together. And so what's 1 times 4? That's 4. What's 3 times 4? That's 12. 1 times 3? That's 3. 4 times 3? That's 12. Okay, so hopefully you remember PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, some would say. So parentheses comes first. The P part comes first. You have 11/12 minus, and then adding fractions. Once you have that common denominator, then you just add the tops, and the bottoms stay the same. So this is 11/12 minus 7/12. And then continue through your order of operations. We simplified parentheses as much as possible. No exponents to deal with. No multiplication or division. So now it's just addition and subtraction. Moving left to right. 11 minus 7 gives you 4 on the top, and then denominators stay the same. Once with addition and subtraction, once the denominators are the same, it stays the same. Can you reduce this? Yup, you can go one more step. You can divide the top and the bottom by 4. That leaves you with a final answer of 1/3. Your final answer is choice A.